Guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix this error LS-0013 on Rocket League or on any other game on Epic Games. Quite easy and straightforward. Let me show how. First of all, completely close Epic Games. From your system tree as well, should be no Epic Games. Then what you need to do here is to write run and search. Then write %localappdata%. Then go to a Epic Games launcher, go to saved, and then delete web cache folder from this file. Then what you need to do here is to go to Epic Games, run as admin, like this, and then go to library, go in game, and the game should be working. Now I'm launching the game. As you can see here now, it's the game starting to launch, and I just need to wait for a couple of seconds, but the issue should be solved. So yeah, as you can see here, guys, the game is perfectly working. So if I helped you out, please press like and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.